let me go with the problem number 15. Fine. Here what we need to find, arrange the following in ascending order. The given fraction we are supposed to arrange it. So there are two methods you can adopt. First one is taking LCM, right? LCM of denominator. Then you can work on it. That I showed in the 2015 question paper. This is directly you can divide and work on it. Now 3 by 7. Let me go with this. So first one is 3 by 7. Let me go with this. So I can't divide. I'll place a decimal point here. I take 0. 7 4s are 28. 2. Again I can take 0. So 7 2s are 14. So 3 by 7. Now it becomes what? 0.42. First one is 0.42. Second, I'll take that is 4 by 5. 4 that divided by 5. So I'll take a decimal here. So I can take a 0. 5 8s are 40. So this will become 0.8. Second one. Now let me go with the third one, that is 7 divided by 9. So I can't divide 7 by 9, so that's what I take the decimal. So 0 7 9 8s are 72, 9 7s are 63, correct? 7. So again I can take 0, 9 7s are 63, right? It will go continuously, recurring. It is nothing but recurring decimal. Let us check out this. This is going to be 0.77. This is third one. The fourth one, 1 by 2, is nothing but 0.5. Fifth one is 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Take a 0 here, right? 6 are 30. This is going to be 0.6. Now I will arrange in the ascending order. That means a smaller number to a bigger number. This will become 0.42, then 0.5, then 0.6, then 0.77, then 0.8. Right. Now 0.42. Which one is 0.42? First one, that is 3 by 7. The next is 0.5. 0.5 is fourth one, that is 1 by 2. So then is 0.6. 0.6 is the last one, that is 3 by 5. The final fourth one is 0.77. That is third one, 7 by 9. And the last one is second, that is 4 by 5. This is what